Hello, welcome back to Feng Cart. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a brand new home for your app. Let's choose Collections block first. Drag and drop the Collections block into the main app. Now let's configure the layout to match your store. Now let's choose Slider 3 block. Let's drag and drop into the main app. Choose your products and configure the layout. Now let's choose Image block. Let's drag and drop into the main app. Here you can configure the animation effect to make it stand out. Now let's choose TikTok block. Let's drag and drop into the main app. Simply paste the embed code and it's ready to go. Now let's choose Slider left. Let's drag and drop into the main app. Choose your products and configure the layout. Product grid block. Let's drag and drop into the main app. Choose how many products you want to display and adjust the grid style. Now let's see how the new home looks. Just tap the preview button and your changes are live instantly. And finally, if you need help, just chat with us live. With Feng Cart, building your app home is as easy as drag, drop, and configure. No coding required. Try it free today and launch your app.